Student, welcome back to math session. Today here we are going to learn the subject mathematics, and in that today we are solving the practice set 1. Okay, in that first see the question. Okay, in practice set 1, what is the question 1? Look at the figure alongside and name the following. First, collinear points. Second, rays. Third, line segments. And fourth, lines. For that, we have to given this figure. Okay, so first I draw this figure. Okay, here is the point M, point R, point O, S, N, and the P. Okay, so this is the given diagram. First you have to write collinear points. Okay, what is meant by collinear points? The point present on a straight line. Okay, so first is what? If you are observing in this figure, observe here is the point M, O, S. Okay, if you are observing, they are present on this single straight line. So these are the what? Collinear points. So first answer is what? A point M, O and S. Okay, they are the what? Collinear points. Observe now, any more collinear points are there in the figure? Yes. Okay, if you are observing, here is the point R, here is the point O and the point N. If you are observing, they are also present on same line or the straight line. So these are the what? Collinear points. Okay, so these are the what? Collinear points, the point which presents on a single straight line, or we can draw a line passing through two or many points, then all that points are the what? Collinear points. Okay, now second is what? You have been asked to write the name of rays. Okay, now we know that what is meant by ray? Simple. First is the what? Origin. Okay, and this is the arrowhead which pointing in the right direction. So like this figure is called what? A ray. So if now observe this figure, in that we have to write the name of rays. So first is what? Ray. Here O P. Okay, next O N, next O S, O R, O M. Okay, now see in these figures, these rays are there. Ray starting from these, that is the origin, O P, O N, O S, O R and O M. So these are the what? Rays. Okay, now third one. Third is what? You have been asked to find or write down the names of line segments. Okay, so what is meant by line segment? I first draw the structure of line segment. Line segment is like this. Okay, so like this, if you are observing in the figure, so first observe this M and S. Okay, so this is the what? Line segment. First M, S. Okay, second one is what? R, N. Okay, so this is the what? R, N. Okay, next now O itself also one point. Okay, can I can I draw like this? O P. your idea will be clear. So OP is also what? Line segment. So OP. Next, similarly ON, OS, OR, OM. Okay, I think all of you understood. These are the what? Line segments present in this given figure. Okay. Now fourth one is what? Fourth one is asked to write down the name of lines. Now what is how we can draw the line? Line is what? Which having the arrowheads in both direction. We can extend these line in both the direction infinitely. Okay. So if you are observing, how many lines are there? Okay, this first line MS. Okay, first line is what? Line MS. Any more? Yes, RN. Okay, next no. So only these two lines are present, line MS and the line RN. Okay, I hope all of you understood the first question. Now second question is what? Write the different names of line from this given figure. Now if you are observing, this is the line L on which this A, B, C, D points are there. All these points are collinear again. Okay. So names of line, already we know line means what? Which can extend in both the direction infinitely. Now first line is what? This point A can extend this direction, B can also already extended in this direction. So first one is what? Line AB. Next similarly AC, because C point is also extended in that direction. So AC, then AD. Okay, so similarly if I consider point B as a starting, so B can extend in this direction and C can extend this direction, so we can also write line BC, then BD. Okay, then CD. Okay, so these are the what? Different lines. Okay, line AB, because now if I ask to draw a line segment, then also AB is a line segment, BC, AC. Okay, but on these, on both the sides are denoted by the arrowheads. Therefore all these points are lies on this line. Therefore all these becomes are the what? Lines, because A can extend it in this direction, B can extend it in this direction, because arrowhead is there. If arrowhead will not be there, at that time this AB, BC, CD all are the line segments. Okay, but now in both the direction arrows are there represented, therefore all this becomes line. Okay, now this is the question number 2. Now third question. What is the third question? Match the following. Group A, Group B. In Group A, the figures are there. Okay, and you have to identify the name of figure which is represented in the Group B. So first, if you are observing, this is what? A line. Okay, because on both the sides the arrowheads are there, we can extend in both the directions. So A is what? Line. Okay, but never you have to match the pair like this. You never cross this like this. Okay, second figure is what? Okay, second figure, in that there are no arrowheads, means this is a what? We can, this length we can measure. Okay, so that is a what? A line segment. Third is what? Okay, it is a straight flat surface. So flat surface is nothing but the what? It is a plane. Okay, and last fourth one is what? There is a what? One origin is there, and only on one side arrowhead is there. We can extend arrowhead, this line, only in one direction. This is a what? It is called a ray. So what are the answers? So first, if you are observing the figure A, okay, in the group A, first is what? It is a line. Okay, second, it is a line segment. Okay, Third, it is a what? Straight flat surface, so it is a plane. And last one is what? It is an array. Okay, so these are the what actually answers that I am writing in front of these figure. These are directly the answers. Okay, and one more question is there, last, fourth one. Observe this figure, name the parallel lines, concurrent lines and the point of concurrence in the figure. Okay, so now this question number 4 is homework for you people. Okay, you have to solve this problem number 4. You have to identify parallel lines, concurrent lines and the point of concurrence. Okay, so I hope all of you understood these 3 problems, and 4th problem is of homework for you. Okay, thank you very much.